DOFTEK is a Victorian-based automotive company built on cutting-edge innovation. We're proud to join the long-standing tradition of Australian companies developing new technologies for the global automotive sector. We've developed the world's first active wheel alignment system for vehicles of today and tomorrow. For us, it's all about what happens right here, where the rubber meets the road, literally. Our system electronically adjusts the alignment of each wheel while you drive. This ensures that the contact patch between your tyres and the road is optimised at all times. At DOFTEK, we're excited about the future of our company. The Advanced Manufacturing Growth Centre, or AMGC, has been critical to our progression, especially during COVID. AMGC has provided both local and global platforms to raise the awareness of our new technology, to plug into global supply chains, and ultimately to forge relationships with large automotive brands.